In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show uncertainty range with shaded area in line chart in Excel. We're going to create a chart that shows a main value line along with a shaded band around it to represent uncertainty, confidence intervals, or a forecast range. This is a really useful technique when you want your chart to communicate not just the central value, but also the possible range around that value in a clear visual way. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and getting your worksheet ready. Next, arrange your data in a simple table with 4 columns: month, lower bound, upper bound, and value. For example, you might have January with a lower bound of 90, an upper bound of 110, and a value of 100. Then February could be 90, 125, and 110, and March could be 100, 140, and 120. The important idea here is that the lower and upper bounds define the shaded range, while the value column is the line you want to highlight. After that, create a helper column for the band. In this new column, calculate the difference between the upper bound and the lower bound. The formula is upper bound minus lower bound. This helper column is what Excel will use to build the shaded area correctly. Instead of plotting the full upper value directly, you're plotting the size of the range above the lower bound. Now select the month column, the lower bound column, and the band column, and insert a stacked area chart. This chart type is important because it allows one area to sit on top of another, which is what creates the uncertainty band in the right position. Once the chart appears, format the lower bound series so it becomes invisible. Set it to no fill and no line. This effectively pushes the visible band upward without showing that base layer, so the shaded area starts exactly at the lower bound. Then format the band series itself. Choose a light color and increase the transparency to around 50 to 70%. This makes the range easy to see without overpowering the chart. A softer color usually works best because the main value line should still remain the focus. Finally, add the value series to the chart. Right-click the chart, choose Select Data, and add the value column as a new series. Then go to Change Chart Type, choose Combo Chart, and set the value series to a line chart. This gives you the final result: a line chart with a shaded uncertainty range around it. If you want the chart to look even cleaner, make sure the line color contrasts well with the shaded band so the main trend is easy to read. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking Excel chart that clearly shows both the central value and its uncertainty range.